Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to find the Optimism address in Trust Wallet. It's easy to get this done. Open up your Trust Wallet, and with the Trust Wallet application opened up, all you need to do is make sure you have the Optimism enabled on Trust Wallet. So the crypto tab, that's the manage crypto tab at the top right, click on this and simply search for OP, that's for the Optimism. And here you'd be met with the Optimism Ethereum and the mainnet Optimism. What we're looking for is this Optimism Ethereum. That's this token right here. That's this token here. This is what we're looking for. All you need to do to find your Optimism address is make sure this toggle is turned on so you can find your cryptos. And click on the Optimism, click on the receive option. Make sure you copy this address. And with the wallet, you could set the amount you wish to receive strictly on your wallet. You could copy your address. You could even deposit from an exchange. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can find the Optimism address on Trust Wallet, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.